But till I try, I'll never know. Too long gravity, and you can't pull me down, and you can't pull me.
Ang taas ng and you can pull me down.
So if you can't find me,
Yeah!
everyone deserves a chance to fly.
They sound so triumphant. Triumphant. Let's hear the Witting Wicked Singers performing Defying Gravity live on Wish 1075.
Wish 1075.
I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says they're so. Till I try, I'll never know. Too long losing love, I guess I've lost. Well, if that's not, it comes back and
Ooh, heartfelt, heartfelt.
defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying gravity. And you can't pull me down. You can't pull me down.
Oh.
So if you can't find me, look to the western sky. Everyone deserves a chance to fly.
Wow.
And if I'm flying solo, flying free, to those who ground me, take a message back from me. Tell them how I'm defying gravity. Flying high, defying gravity. Soon I'll match them in renown. It's never gonna bring me down.
Galing. Ayos. Hi, wishers.
We are a Witting Wicked Singers.
Hey.
For more
Wish
exclusive videos,
Click.
click here to subscribe.
Oh, the harmony, ah. Sino kayo dyan? That's the Witting Wicked Singers. Palakpakan naman natin. Ang ganda. No, so I'm one of the 30 lucky winners for that Witting Wicked. And sila yung 10 na for Wish Bus na nag-perform. Congratulations! Nakakaiyak sa ganda. Ang ganda nun, ang ganda nun. Eh, di pakinggan natin ulit. Tapos himay-himayin natin kung ano yung favorite part ko. Diretso na siya second verse.
I'm through accepting limits.
Gusto yun. I'm through accepting limits. Ang ladies.
'Cause someone says they're so.
Unison lang kasi lahat muna. Mamaya na yung mga harmonizationisms.
Some things I
O, Saraga.
cannot change.
Rita.
Till I
Oh.
try, I'll never know.
Ay, nag-aano na sila dito. Tama ba? Nag-harmonize na ba?
I try, I'll never know. Too long
Oh, never know. May ganun.
I've been afraid of
Oh, Jason and Eugene.
losing love, I guess.
G and Gray. Oh, Gray nagtatawag natin sa kanya. Si Gray yan.
I've lost. Well, if that's not, it comes
Ay, oo, nag-ano na sila, nag-harmonize na pala. Well, if that's love, it comes and...
that much too high.
Ayo, gusto ko yung... It comes and much too higher cost. Let's hear it again.
Well, if that's not, it comes at much too high a cost.
Much too higher cost. Ay, ganun ba? Cost. Damang-dama na G-set namin, oh. Ang galing naman ni Justipani, oh. Damang-dama naman niya. Oh, ganda.
Gravity, kiss me good.
Ang ganda ng Defying Gravity. Napakalaki ng mga bunganga ng mga ito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Maganda siya. Yung tunog nila lahat.
And you can't pull me
Ang taas ng And you can pull me down. Ito yung gusto ko na wala sa original mix na nasa music video. Kinanta nila for Wish. Meron ng may may before yung So If You Care to Find Me. Ito yung maganda.
So if you care to find me,
Yeah! This is the money part. Money part.
so if you care to find me, look to the western sky.
Ang ganda. Pag pinag-mix talaga yung male and female voice na maayos. No, Wish. Ang ganda ng mix ng Wish. Diba? Wish lang yan.
As someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly.
They sound so triumphant. Triumphant. Bitaw. Nindot kaya. Kung kanina habang nakikinig ako, nakangiti lang ako ng gano'n. Parang ang saya-saya naman talaga ng experience na to. Kaya congratulations sa inyo guys. Ay, nakaka-proud no. Sayang lang hindi kami lahat nakakanta sa Wish Bus. Kasi kung lahat kami 30 or 29 lang actually, maging Wish Truck na siya. Kaya wag na lang. Hindi, wag na lang daw. So 10 na lang. So they represent us and clearly napakagaling naman din ang napili for this performance. But I still hope na makakanta ako with them, no? Yung lahat kami makakanta together again. Kung saan man, di ba?
Deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free.
Ay, at least I'm flying free. Hindi ba nangingibabaw yung ganong mix? This is the Philippine rendition of Defying Gravity. It's the only rendition around the world na binuo ng mga amateur singers na nagkaroon talaga ng nationwide contest for the winners to sing the rendition, no, ng Philippines. Ang ganda kaya, oh.
To those who ground me, take a
Ay, grabe, Gisette. Ground me!
message back from me.
Message back from me.
Tell them how I'm defying gravity.
Yung mga boys, hindi na harmonize masyado. Kasi, nung sa recording namin, ang ginawa ng group namin is yung Tell them how I'm defying gravity.
Tell them how I'm defying gravity.
Dito, sa napakinggan ko, medyo wala yon. Iba yung kinanta nila na part, yung melody yata.
I'm defying gravity. I'm flying high, defying gravity.
Nag-split pa rin naman. Ang mga lalaki, I'm flying high, defying gravity. Ang mga babae yung mas mataas. I'm flying high, defying gravity. Oh, 'di ba? Pakinggan niyo ulit, ang ganda. Pakinggan ng boys and girls. Come sing with me.
I'm flying high, defying gravity. And soon I'll match them in Rena.
Ay, gusto ko yung pag-glide. In Rina. Nobody. Tapos dito, ang ganda ng ginawa ni Coach Jingle. Si Miss Jingle Buena pala ang nag-arrange no, ng vocals, ng vocals. Siya nga, no, ng version na to. No? Ang ganda. So, ang ginawa dito, and nobody, may isang grupo ng babae na, and nobody. Tapos, next group yung, in all of us. Tapos, boys naman, no wizard that. Tapos, last group ng boys, there is a was, parang ganun yun. Let's review.
In all of us,
The wizard
Ayun.
is ever gonna
Dinivide sa 4 na grupo. And nobody, ganon. In all of us, ganon siya. Go Maris. Ay, si Maris. Ibang Maris to, Maris with a Z. Sabi ni John Jan. At ni bitinin natin. ulitin natin. Tikulin. Dinig na dinig ko si John Jan. Second voice, second part sila.
in all of us,
the wizard
is ever gonna bring down.
Tang, tang. Diba? Pati yung music, napaka... Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you watch Wicked. Andyan pa rin yung Wicked sa mga cinemas. And yung Awiting Wicked naman ay pinapalabas before mag-screen yung mismong film. Hopefully in your cinemas nandyan pa rin siya. Kasi dito, hindi ko siya napanood pa. No? Kasi nung mga early days kaming nanood eh. So, pang-apat ko na napanood sa sine. Magkaibang malls. So, sa SM Jensen, yung second is sa Gaisano Mall Davao, and then, third is sa IMAX, sa SM Lanang Premiere, Davao pa rin yan. And then, fourth one is sa KCC Jensen. All of them, wala akong nakitang Awiting Wicked. So, sana meron na siguro ngayon, no? Na nakadikit. So, comment if you have watched Wicked and Awiting Wicked, no ba? Sa inyong mga cinemas. It's now on its 3rd week. So, there you go. Support Wicked. Support Awiting Wicked Singers, our Filipino version. Hindi siya Tagalog kasi we are celebrating the voices of Filipino. It's not necessarily Tagalog or Filipino. And hope you get that. Diba? Diba? Philippine rendition, but hindi Tagalog. Ang Philippine rendition naman ay rendition ng kung anong original. Hindi naman kailangang isalin sa Tagalog. Hindi ko rin alam paano siya isasalin ng Tagalog na hindi awkward. Well, anyway, basta Pilipino yung mga boses na nag-render ng song, ng rendition. So, I hope you like it. And, ayun, you can also check my channel sa Papalam TV Official and maging dito sa Facebook and TikTok. Facebook and TikTok. Meron ako mga videos related sa Awiting Wicked. So, may mga vlogs ako behind the scenes and whatever, no, na mga ginagawa namin. And yes, thank you so much again, Universal Pictures Philippines, Hit Productions, Alta Productions, yung group ni Direk Percy Intalan, Idea First, yes, and everyone na involved dito sa project na to. TikTok din. Thank you so much kasi ito yung nagpa-audition dito sa branded mission niya. So, campaign nila, Awiting Wicked Contest. So, again, I'm from General Santos City and from Mindanao, representing for our Awiting Wicked. So, we're diverse, a group of different singers from around the Philippines. So, ayun. I hope you watch it and hope you like it. Thank you so much. Oh, wow! Wow! Ganon. Oh, diba? So that's it. Watch nyo sa YouTube. Naka-upload na sa Wish 107.5 YouTube channel. And yeah, and the title is The Awiting Wicked Singers Perform Defying Gravity live on Wish 107.5 bus. So that's it. Bye.